Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcake molds. First, you'll need to gather your materials, including food-grade silicone and a small container to hold your master cupcake shape. Next, prepare your master by ensuring it's clean and free of any debris. This process allows for custom sizes and shapes, offering more flexibility than standard store-bought options. Before you begin, make sure your workspace is clean and has good ventilation. When mixing your silicone, carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions for the correct ratio of the two parts. This step is crucial for proper curing. If your master cupcake shape is porous, apply a thin layer of release agent to prevent sticking. Now, slowly pour the mixed silicone over your master cupcake shape, ensuring it's completely covered. After pouring, gently tap the container on your work surface to help any trapped air bubbles rise to the top and escape. This ensures a smooth, flawless mold. Allow the silicone to cure fully, which typically takes 4 to 6 hours, depending on the product. Once fully cured, carefully demold your new silicone cupcake mold. Gently peel back the silicone from your master shape to reveal your perfect creation. You can then trim any excess silicone with scissors for a neat, professional finish. These homemade molds are durable and reusable for many baking adventures. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.